What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this video in which we'll talk about the STG token, or Stargate Finance, whatever you want to say, but it's the main token of Stargate. We'll talk about this huge bullish move that we've had. I mean, we're up a lot right now. We're very bullish. We'll talk about why that's the case, or at least why I think that's the case. And where we can go. I mean, right now we have a volume of 100 million. We're up almost 50%. And I think we will even go up more, but we'll talk about that later. We'll first talk about the fundamentals. So what's happening with Stargate? So I actually had to dig pretty deep. I mean, Stargate Finance, as most of you know, it's a way to bridge your coins, right? So they have pools as well, and you can just farm from liquidity pools. And it's a bridge. I've used it too. I mean, it's a pretty good bridge. They're doing great things, and just in general, they have a great product. There are a lot of bridges, but Stargate, I think, is one of the best ones. But I did not see any big developments surrounding Stargate specifically that could make it move by 50%. And if you take a look at the markets, I thought, all right, well, maybe it's manipulated. And here you can see it's not really manipulated. I mean, most of the volume is actually just solid, reliable, valid. So then I saw some kind of things that were also happening with other cryptos that kind of were in the same space, or at least somewhat. And the big thing is that, all right, well, first of all, I found this, which is already 3 days ago. But I thought this was good news. I mean, Metis, which is, I believe, another layer 2, some sort of a layer 2 scaling network, is now live on Stargate. But as some of you might know, Stargate is also very big on the Arbitrum blockchain. All right, so maybe we can still check that out. I'm actually not sure if we can. DeFi Llama. It would be amazing if we would be able to check that out, because then I can show you that maybe there's some sort of a common denominator. Here you can see Arbitrum has is already the 5th biggest chain, or at least the 5th biggest network. Treasure DAO, here you can see, is very big on it. And Treasure DAO is also very bullish. Magic, or at least their main token, is very bullish. And what's also happening is that Stargate is also very big on there. Has 15 million total value locked. So I think it has something to do with Arbitrum, and obviously I should have checked out what Arbitrum is doing, but I did not do that. So I still want to do it very quickly now, and I'll hopefully just edit it out if I don't forget. All right, well, not a lot has been happening, but I mean, obviously there has been quite a lot of bullish momentum surrounding Arbitrum and their launch and their potential token launch coming soon. So I think that's why Stargate Finance is bullish right now. But yeah, it's still a little bit of guessing, and I'm still very much open to hearing more things about it. So let me know what you think. But for now, if we take a look at the technicals, what you can see is that we hit this major resistance level between, yeah, I mean, arguably 71 cents and 76 cents. But really, the strongest level within that is this level right here, between, I would say, 73 cents and 75 cents, where 75 cents is obviously a very strong psychological resistance level. And I think we're going there. I think we're going higher than what we've done right now. But the thing is that what we would actually want to do, which would be amazing, and then we could have a huge rally, is we want to break above 75 cents. If we can do that, we'll be able to take that break retest and get all the way up to 84 and 85 cents. That would only be the first price target afterwards. This could very well happen. It's just hard to predict a move like that where you're not sure what the fundamentals behind the crypto are. So at this point, I think it's more likely, just to be conservative, I think it's more likely that we will get up to 75 cents, or at least let's make it a little bit more pretty. Excuse me, some helicopters flying over. We'll get up there, and then we'll drop that back down towards 66, 68 cents. And then if we're able to hold that level, we can actually start thinking about still breaking above 75 cents. But that also kind of depends on the market. So I'll definitely be back with another update soon. But for now, this is what I expect. I also think with the current market circumstances, that a move like this is very well possible. But this is kind of still, it's initially this, and maybe it just depends on the market. If Bitcoin drops down, then Stargate, or at least STG, will fall down as well towards 60 cents. But we'll have to see. Initially, we'll get up to 75, 74 cents, drop down towards 68 to 66 cents, and then consolidate on top of that. And then in that time, I'll make another update. So let me know if you'd be interested in that. But for now, take care and bye.